Hello class. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to leave a comment on VoiceThread. We are going to use VoiceThread to do presentations later in the semester, but I want to give you an introduction right now for the week. You will have to leave a comment on this VoiceThread, and I will be giving you a link for that later on. The instruction is to tell us one academic goal for this semester and one fun fact about you. In order to leave a comment on VoiceThread, you will need to click on this plus sign right here. Here you will have an option to leave a text. You will have an option to also leave a comment through your phone and using a microphone, audio, or video. But first we will just be leaving an audio comment, which is right here. So here I will click on the microphone and I will start recording an audio comment that answers the question above. One of my academic goals for the semester is to ensure that I am giving clear instructions to students on how to use VoiceThread. This is fairly new to me as well, so we'll be learning this together. So this is one of my goals. One fun fact about me is that I collect stamps from all over the world. Now I can stop the recording of my voice, and now it's uploading my message. It's repeating my message afterwards. Okay. And after the VoiceThread replays your message, it is good for you to listen to it for two reasons. To check the sound quality. If it's too quiet, you may need to adjust your microphone. Second, it's good for you to listen to your own comment to judge if you were clear and in sync. It's okay for you to do it a couple of takes if needed. Your audience would really appreciate that. And finally, you can click on it and you can either delete it, replay it, and re-record. So I'll click it to give it a try. So on your left hand side here. Okay. So now that's all you need to do for this introductory assignment. Just upload a message to this VoiceThread, and once again I will give you a link so that you can do that. You will need to sign in to VoiceThread, but I will go over that as well with you as well. Hope this is helpful.